Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can select and mask in Adobe Photoshop. I'm just going to use the selection tool, and I'm just going to let Adobe Photoshop do its thing. I'll just select the select subject option here. Then I'm just going to press Ctrl J on my keyboard, and then to create the clipping mask, select this layer mask option. And here you can adjust the layer mask here. But that is pretty much how you can select and mask. You can use these options here as well. But you can smooth out your image here, feather and contrast. And press OK. You can adjust the layer style here as well. But that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I think I said that already, but if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.